What up though? It's Filip Tech. Today we're going to go over how to set up your Xfinity or Comcast internet. We're going to go over the XB7 router and modem combo and the steps to set up your working Wi-Fi. Let's go.
Here's what the XB7 looks like in just a white box. You can see it has Xfinity at the top. On the back, you can see the interfaces. So it has a coax input and it has 4 Ethernet channels, all 1 gigabit speed, and then this one is 2.5 gigabits per second. Also has 2 telephone ports if you have Xfinity voice. Here is the power cable, and then right here, this is a button. If you hold it for 15 seconds, it does a factory reset. Pretty simple device. All you have to do, Ethernet comes through the coax, then you can plug all your wired connections here. Then you can also use a switch if you need more ports. Just plug in the power and that's it. The first thing we want to do is connect the coax cable from the wall to the modem. Next, we're going to plug the power cord right here. So make sure you plug the other end into the wall. And we can see it lights up. Now if you turn it around, you'll see this front light right here starts flashing. So it's orange right now. If yours keeps flashing, that means it's activating. So give it about 10-15 minutes to turn solid, like mine is right now. In the meantime, you want to activate your modem. And the easiest way is through the Xfinity app. You can download it and log in, or you can go through xfinity.com/activate on your computer.
So we're going to download the Xfinity app. Now we have to sign in. You'll have to create one right here, so just regular process. I'm gonna sign off air, so you can do the same. Once you sign in, you're gonna get this screen. It's gonna say give your new network a name. So you're gonna need a name for your Wi-Fi and then a password as well. Think of one and write those down. Once you type in your password to log in, it's gonna come up with this, secure Xfinity hotspots. I'm gonna skip it. Turn on notifications, skip that for now. Again, I'll skip this too. All right, now Xfinity app is yours to control. All right, yes. So once you're here on the Xfinity app, go to services and it's gonna show you what download speed your plan has, and then internet equipment, activate. So we're gonna activate the Xfinity Gateway. I'm not using my own modem. Get started. So on the bottom side of the gateway, we have to scan the code. Let's go do that. So let's hit scan QR code. Yes, we want them to have access. Then it's gonna be in the back right here. All right, locate your outlet. We already did this part right here. Hit next. Just says to place it in a certain area of the home where you can have the best signal. Next, we plugged in power. We already did this. Now let's see if the light is white. Let's try the connection. And like it says, it may take a few minutes.
So one thing I did notice, I want to mention, was when I was booting it up, my light here was still flashing orange and not white, and it should be flashing white. So what I did was I went to a different room and I connected the coax cable in a different room in my house, more towards where the central location is in an office. So if yours isn't working, try that. So once the connection process is complete, it's going to ask you to verify your Wi-Fi or create a Wi-Fi name and password. I've already done that, so I'm going to hit got it. Then activation is complete and you can hit done. And then the gateways have to restart before you can use your Wi-Fi.
Now you can go to your Wi-Fi and check, verify that it's there. And then there it is. That's my Wi-Fi. I would have to enter my password. And here it is. I'm officially connected. And that's how you set up your Xfinity Gateway with your Wi-Fi. If you have any questions, write them down below and I'll try to answer them. Till next time, see ya.